receives all grievances of the people at the grassroots level, at the GS circle level, at the village level. Any program of the government will be disseminated through these organizations, and also if any grievances of the people are also there, they will be taken to the government, and ultimately the decisions will be taken at the secretariat level. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our Honorable Chief Minister that he has taken much pain to see that all 46 blocks which have been constructed earlier or which have been inaugurated before the last 10 blocks have been sanctioned, and almost 135.5 crore rupees is being utilized for this purpose. There is another 10 new blocks for which we are expecting to get around 45 crores, that will total almost 180 crore for development of the blocks. So this investment in rural area only shows how much CM is concerned to see that the development